Oh. Okay, we are in the middle of the hurricane. It's been good, but it's now 12:16 in the afternoon, and the power just shut off. This is what outside is looking like right now. Okay, so when you open this bag, this is from Augustin's Farms. Let's see what we have here. Brown sugar oatmeal. Has all these individually packed meals. Whey milk drink. Must be just like milk. What's this? Spanish rice. Fettuccine Alfredo. Creamy potato soup. Creamy rice and vegetables. We're enjoying Lunchables for Talhai's birthday. It is his birthday. And trying to keep warm. It is storming outside. Okay, so I am all wet, but we ran over. My husband is still over there because our neighbor's house was flooding. Okay, it is getting strong. Well, it's been strong. A huge indicator I use is the trees, and when they're moving, these are big trees, so I know that like it's strong out there. Okay, we have this set up now. Our neighbors have come over and they're gonna hang out with us. But we have some birria on the stove, some sweet rolls, and we're boiling some water right now. We just realized that this light is leaking water. That's good to know. And so we haven't had. Did I know what time is it right now? What time does the iPad say?
6.
Oh, it's 4:20. Okay. So we haven't had power now for 4 hours, and it is still pounding out there.
Is my too soon?
Okay, we're just playing piles. Fun.
With the iPad. And this has got a little bit of sauce on it. When you know you guys like it.
Sure, son. Yeah.
All these come in here.
Last night was pretty wild. One of our chickens is dead. Yeah, it's not too bad, but we're taking a morning walk after Lala. Yeah.
Oh, it was up.
Our road was washed out. The concrete's broke. There's a whole river back here.
Push the barriers into the bed.
Those were all up in.
Wow.
Take a photo
So
of
this is a road that is now a river. Okay, I just walked over to the neighbors and luckily had a shower because they have a generator and we have great neighbors. Don't be a shitty neighbor. I made an ambrosia with some of the perishable things.
I got a lot of red stuff.
Blueberries, yogurt, Cool Whip.
What's the yellow? What's that red thing?
Oh, I put Jello in it too.